Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable Firewall on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to the Start button, then just right-click on the Start button, then click on Run, then Run menu will open. In here, just type firewall.cpl, that is firewall.cpl, and click on OK. And then after that, you need to maximize this window. Then after that, what you need to do is just go here and click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. And from here, you can turn the firewall of private network settings to off, as well as the public network settings to off, and click on OK. And there you go, firewall has been disabled. And now to enable it, you need to do the same thing. Just go to Turn on Windows Defender Firewall. Then from here, just click on Turn on, and turn on, and click on OK, and done. And then just close this window. So basically, that is how to enable or disable Firewall on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.